So here's another awesome idea on photographing macro, shooting through water. So what I ended up doing was getting my camera ranger so I could set it up. I got some glass and some water, and I did a variety of vases with different perspectives, you know, the circles and the squares. And then when you light glass, you got to bounce light in. I got this plastic greenery and I put it behind, and as you can see that I put the light behind it, but I only used that one piece, and see how it's working where I have each cylinder is refracting that. Well, because this is macro and getting up close, this is actually a pano macro. I shot 3 different shots and put them together. Kind of had to warp things a little bit, and I didn't like the green. So I was playing with it and I said, okay, this color is pretty cool. It's different. It's more me. So I went ahead and changed the color of the actual object. And then I went ahead and just made sure it was exactly the way I wanted it, making sure things are lined up. So there was a lot of cleaning to do because it's glass and water and my glass wasn't perfect. So I decided to, instead of individually cleaning everything, go to dust and scratches in Photoshop so I can really remove a lot of that. Well, it removed too much, so I decided that I better put a mask on it and paint in the areas that needed some fixing. Also, any distractions that broke my eyes, I cleaned up there, and of course I knew I was going to have problems down below, so I had to fix up some of that refracted light from my window. Cleaned it all up, and it was a fun macro shoot to do. If you want to see more macro ideas, just go down to the watch more and you can have a blast there.